Hi, welcome to your mentor YouTube channel. To get the government job, PhD admissions, work from home job, PGT, TGT and assistant professor job notifications, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon, share, like and comment my videos. In this video, we are going to see the assistant professor or the faculty recruitment notification from the government as well as the private colleges. And here only post-graduation UGC or the PhD candidates for all the three categories. Here the vacancies are there and the UGC pay scales you will get. There is no application fee and the no written examination. The selection will be directly based upon the interview only. You may apply from any state. If your subjects are not covered in this video, then please mention your subjects in the comment section of this video. If I got the recruitment notification which is matching up with your profile, then definitely I will come up in the next video. So to get my next video as an immediate notification, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon, and please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities in this pandemic situation. It will be very much helpful to them. And watch this video until the end to get the multiple recruitment notifications from the government and the private. Before going into the main content of this video, myself I am Ashwini Kumar, the educator of electronic science and the general paper 1. So the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next cycle, here the new batch course is going to start from October 27th onwards. So it is a paper 1 and electronic science course, guys. The interested candidates may take the subscription plan. So here you may check down. So whatever the subscription plan you want to take, you may use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, to get 10% discount. Coming to the present content of the video. So here we are going to say nearly 7 to 8 number of recruitment notifications from the different colleges. The first one we are going to see from the Cochin University of Science and Technology. And here this notification released on 21st December 2021 regarding the student counselor. So number of one vacancy is there. The qualification required is 2 years full-time MA or MS in the psychology or counseling or psychological counseling or clinical psychology or the applied psychology, and 3 years of experience must be required. The PhD is not mandatory here. 60,000 rupees you will get. Okay. And the age limitation 23 to 39, and few other conditions are also mentioned here. Appointment up to 1 year and which may be extended up to the 2 years. And how to apply means you need to go through the official website. Here the official website is also given here, and you have to apply through the online on or before 22nd Jan 2022. Okay, so it is how you need to apply, guys. And the signed hard copy of the uploaded form with the proof for age, educational qualification, experience, community, all these things you need to send to the Registered Administrative Office, Cochin University, on or before 29th Jan 2022. Fine. And application for the post of student counselor on contract basis, you need to write on the envelope of the letter. And the fee details, application fees 735 for the general and OBC candidates, okay, and 145 rupees for the SC and ST candidates. Fine. So these are the points given here. And coming to the next one. So it is the Cochin University of Science and Technology, the official website. Okay, if you want to apply, you need to apply through this one. Got it? And next one is from the Department of Public Administration, Kurukshetra University. So from this one here we got the recruitment notification regarding the MA, teaching MA the public administration. The notification as per the issued by the establishment branch wide. The remuneration of the employment part-time teachers as approved by the Executive Council will be a net or the PhD maximum 25,000 rupees per month, non-net 20,000 rupees per month will be available. The candidate will submit their CV to the chairperson or director or principal of the university teaching departments or the institutions concerned for consideration. Okay, so this notice is for the candidates who belongs to the public administration. You please once go through the Kurukshetra University. Got it? And coming to the next one is walk-in interview on 28th December 2021 on Government Arts and Science College. Fine. Kapalur, Madurai district. So here the eligible candidates are required to send their resume either by email to or else by post. It's better to email, guys. Okay, why? Because they are mentioning any one of this thing. And the guest lecturer will be engaged purely on hourly basis will be there. And yeah, the walk-in interview will be held at the USIC building of Madurai Kamaraj University on 28th December 2021 at 10:30. And the candidates has to report at 9:30 AM itself for the verification of the educational certificates and the documents. So whatever things you need to bring while coming to the walk-in interview, so all the things are mentioned here. So carefully make a note and take all these things. And the number of vacancies are also mentioned. The departments are Tamil and English. And coming to the next one is Mallareddy Engineering College for Women. So there is a staff requirement, professor, associate and assistant professor in the branches of CSE, IT, ECE, Maths, English, Physics, Chemistry, MBA and Administrative Officer. programmers and the lab assistants, office assistants, library assistants, and the physical director and the wardens. Whoever the interested candidates are there, you need to send your resume to the careers. Okay, careers. mrecw@mrecw.in on or before 2nd Jan 2022, and shortlisted candidates will be called for the interview. Okay, and coming to the next one, so it is Panipat Institute of Engineering and Technology, PIET NCR. It is affiliated to Kurukshetra University. So here the vacancies are there regarding the EC Electronics, Mechanical, IT, Textile, MBA, BBA, CSC, MCA, BCA, Gaming Technology, and English or Mathematics, Physics or Chemistry, B Pharma or D Pharma. The number of vacancies are mentioned here as per the professor, associate, and assistant professor. Okay, and the principal as well as the English, Maths, Mass Communication, Commerce, Economics, BFAD, these are also there. Each and every department, one vacancy is there. And administrative or the technical staffs are also mentioned here, so you may check down. Huge number of non-teaching vacancies are there. Qualifications are as per the ACT and the UGC norms. Whoever the interested candidates are there, you need to send your resumes to this jobs@pit.co.in. And for administrative or the technical post, okay, it is the thing you need to send your email. And for PIET NCR college teaching and non-teaching, jobs.ncr@pit.co.in. Okay, so if you're having any queries regarding this one, you may go through the official website and you will get the contact number. You may contact to that number. Okay, so once again check the mail IDs. And coming to the next one is JP Institute of Information Technology. So from this one here we got the recruitment notifications for the professor, associate, and assistant professor in the departments of computers, electronics and communication, biotechnology, humanities and social sciences, mathematics, physics and material science and engineering, and management. Okay, so if you want to apply for this one, you need to go through the official website and then go to the careers opening. So through online you need to apply. And the non-teaching positions, the training and placement officer and admission coordinator is there. Eligibilities are also given here, so you may check down. Fine. So if you are having any queries here, the mail IDs are also provided here. So you need to apply on or before 31st December 2021, and you have to apply by going through the official website only. And coming to the next one is the Sandeep University. It is a UGC recognized Dean's Professor, Associate, and Assistant Professor in the departments of Aerospace, Mechanical, Electrical, Civil, Computer Management, Pharmacy, Law, Fashion Designing, Sciences, Microbiology and Mathematics, Foreign Languages, English, French, and German. Applications are also invited for the directors and the deputy directors. Okay, so project manager, finance officer, HR, registrar, deputy registrar, and administration, all these things are there. So interested candidates may send your resume within the 7 days to the careers@sandeepuniversity.edu.in. And the next one is the Silicon City PU College from Bangalore. So we are looking for the lecturers who believe in the philosophy of learning by doing. So MCOM BEd and MSc Statistics BEd. Whoever the candidates belongs to these departments, so please send your resume to this provide mail ID, as well as the contact number is also provided here. And you have to apply on or before 29th December 2021. Got it? So total is recruitment notification. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to those departments. And if your subjects are not covered, then please mention your subjects in the comment section of this video. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET examination, from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. If you are interested, you may continue this video. Otherwise, you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. Yeah, hi guys, welcome to my channel. So myself, I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science, as well as the General Paper 1, that is Teaching and Research Aptitude. So myself, I cleared the UGC NET as well as the GATE for the 2 times in Electronics and Communication subject. And in this video, I want to bring you one new batch course for the candidates who are preparing for the next NTA UGC NET exam cycle. So next cycle means as of right now in the month of November and December, NTA UGC NET is conducting the exam for the December 2020 as well as the June 2021 med cycle. Fine. And the next cycle is the December 2021. So Unacademy started the new batch course, guys, for the paper 1 as well as the paper 2. And the highlights of this course are online live classes you will get. And even though if you miss the live class due to your busy schedule, you can watch the recorded videos also. And you can download the class PDFs also, which will be very much helpful for your preparation purpose, or else to write the short notes purpose, or else the revision purpose. And the test series are also you can avail from this new batch course. And while coming to the official website of the Unacademy, so all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. So it is not only providing the paid courses, guys, it is providing the free online classes also. And you will get the free online classes on the 2 platforms. One is on Unacademy YouTube channel and one is on Unacademy app itself in the name of special classes. So here, what I mean, NTA is conducting the UGC NET examination for a total 81 subjects, right? So out of the 81 subjects, Unacademy is providing the online courses or else what you call paid courses. Okay, that is nothing but complete coaching for the subjects, okay, that you may explore. What are the different subjects Unacademy is providing this UGC NET examination purpose? And coming to the list of the subjects, so general paper on teaching is common. That means teaching aptitude, that is paper 1 is common, that you will get in English language as well as the Hindi language. And coming to the remaining paper 2 subjects are commerce, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, sociology, labor welfare and English and education and geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, home science, environmental sciences, philosophy, mass communication and journalism, tourism, administration, management, Sanskrit, Punjabi, okay, and anthropology. So these are the different subjects that Unacademy is providing, guys. And while coming to the myself, as I told that I'm providing the subject that is electronic science. So it is my profile. So for both paper 1 as well as the electronic science, I am the Unacademy educator. So the information to the electronic science candidates, I mean, not only to the electronic science candidates, so whatever the subject I shown you right now. So if you want to take the subscription plan where the new batch courses are going to start, guys, okay, if you want to take the subscription plan for all this one, then you may click on this get subscription. As I told in the starting itself that you will get the free online class as well as the paid courses also. But under the subscription, you will get the complete in detailed syllabus as per the UGC syllabus, guys. And you may take the plus or the iconic subscription. So if you click on the plus, okay, these are the different subscription plans are there. So you may take 1 month or 3 months or 6 months or 12 or 24 months. Okay. And here the price are also mentioned. So for 1 month 3,190 and 3 months 6,875 like this. And whatever the current courses are running, they are maximum up to the 3 months, okay, or else beyond the 3 months. So the suggestible one is the 3 months or the 6 months of subscription plan, or else if you are preparing for the next other cycles, you may take more than 6 months also. And if you go to this one here, it mentions that have a referral code here. So here I am providing one referral code, guys, ASWINIK. Okay. So if you click on this referral code and apply, so whatever the plan you are going to take here, for example, if you want to take the 6 months of subscription plan, okay, and if you use my referral code that is ASWINIK, then you will get the 10% discount. Okay, 10% off you will get on any one of the subscription plan. So previously I shown you whatever the subjects that is providing for the providing by the Unacademy. So for any subjects you will get the 10% discount for the referral code that is ASWINIK, and then click on the proceed to pay. Okay, and while coming to the electronic science and the paper 1. Okay, so the new batch course is going to start from November 3rd onwards. Okay, that means the day after yesterday, November 3rd onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys, can utilize the opportunity. So already the course schedule, everything is launched here. Fine. So you may check down in my profile link also. And after downloading the Unacademy app, you may click on, you may search by this name, okay, Ashwini Kumar Gadige. Then you will be directed to my profile link and you may check down, okay, the schedule of this upcoming batch course. Fine. And here the lot of previously the course taken students, the lot of the students are highly satisfied, guys. So you may check down the dedications also from the previous batch students, right? So and you can also come on the free online classes also, that as I told that you will get on the Unacademy YouTube channel as well as on the special classes. So for example, before taking the subscription plan, if you want